Hello everyone, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix it in the shape of a knot and then tie it using the rubber bands. Now repeat the process for few more times as we are doing here. Keep taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and tie them using the rubber bands. After repeating the process, at the ends we will tie all the hairs together. Keep taking the hairs like this from the sides, fix it all together at the end and then we will tie them using a rubber band. Now you can put some designer pins over it to fix it and it's done. Next, you have to take the hairs on the top like this in the very small section and tie it using the rubber band like this. After tying it, we will fix the hairs by dividing the hairs into two parts. Tie the other section of the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. Tie the hairs and make the plaits as shown in the video. Fix it carefully till the end. Now join the hairs from the sides in the very small sections like this. Now we will follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Just we have to take the hairs and then divide it and then take small sections from the sides and join them in the lining way at the plaited hairs like this in the between. Fix it till the end and join them together, tie it. Next, take the hairs on the sides like this and then tie it on the back. Fix it like this by joining small sections one by one. Fix the hairs carefully as we are tying it. Take the hairs in the very small sections and fix them. Tie the hairs till the back and fix it properly. Tie them carefully as we are tying it. Take it till the end and fix the hairs. Now we will fix the hairpins on it. Next, you have to take the hairs on the top and then take the hairs from the sides. Join it like this and then fix it as shown in the video. Tie the hairs carefully as we are tying it. Take the hairs in the very small section. Tie the hairs carefully like this. Take the hairs from the sides in the one by one lining way and join it in the back in the middle of the hairs like this and make the plaits. Take it till the end in the same manner. We have to tie all the hairs like this. So take the hairs from the sides in the lining way one by one. Take it as shown in the video, join it carefully. Now at the end we will tie all the hairs, tie them one by one, join it like this from the sides, tie it in the middle. Now keep following the process, fix it till the end and make the plaits on the hairs. Fix it in the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.